It's been a while since we looked at GBPUSD. You might remember that we said a breach to this level here at 134.39 would shift things bullish, as we would trigger the break to this double top. And if we measure from the very minimum of the pattern up to the neckline, then that suggests we can go up to 147.78, which is up here. Since then, we had the breakout, and we moved back down again, and then up again, and then down again. And unfortunately, it did trade a bit deep here, so some people would have maybe been stopped out. But looking at this now from a big picture perspective, the trend continues to be bullish. The question is, should we buy here or should we buy slightly lower? I suspect probably slightly lower is better. Right now, the volatility is within this little channel that we're working with here. The volatility is quite high to some extent. And if we would buy here and then move up to 140, the risk reward ratio is not spectacular. Rather, if we would wait for a dip, maybe down towards that trend line. So for example, working with a entry roughly at 134.70 with a stop loss just below here, and then revisit the channel top here, then you get yourself a 2.25 times reward ratio. If it goes up to 140, then you're looking at 3.6. There's also a few other reasons why I would wait a bit. And the reason for waiting would be because of EURUSD. So EURUSD, a very strong uptrend. We've been bullish for a while here as well, but we haven't really corrected. It might be that we're stuck in this little shallow uptrend that we've been seeing here, or maybe we just go to 120, which is this target we discussed on the break to this channel. What happens, right? When we relax, the market comes back and collapses. So I would wait. I think EURUSD around 116, 116.45 is more interesting. So when this goes down to us here, GBPUSD is probably going to be here, maybe even flirting to try to trade below the low. And I think at that point it would be better to engage in GBPUSD. What's your take? Share your comments below.